Hi everyone, my name is Ai. In this video, I wanna introduce you how to make lavender vinegar and how to use this one for home cleaning. And this is super easy to make. All you need is just white vinegar and you just need to pour white vinegar into clean empty jar like this and just add some lavender, dried lavender into this jar and you just need to wait for at least 2 days under sunlight and the color will become pink like this, very beautiful color. And if you put many dried lavender, the color will become more dense. So if you want to make lovely pink white vinegar, lavender vinegar, I recommend you to put more. And lavender has anti-bacterial effect, so it's also prevent, harmful germs and also bugs and insect, because insect and cockroach hate lavender scent, although it smells fantastic for human. So this is good for people who hate insect like me. So I often wipe floor with diluted lavender vinegar, and if your pet doesn't like the smell of lavender, you can also just use white vinegar too. So I usually clean kitchen with white vinegar and use lavender vinegar for my bathroom. And vinegar is very effective to remove soap scum, because soap itself is alkaline and vinegar is acid, so strong acid, so it's very effective to remove soap scum in your bathroom sink or kitchen sink too. But please don't use please don't use vinegar on any kinds of stone like marble, because it will damage your marble. But you can also use lavender vinegar on floor, and I also love to clean my yoga mat with lavender vinegar. I just dump my towel and squeeze it and just put some vinegar on the wet towel and just wipe. You can also use wet kitchen cloth too. Yeah. And your yoga mat will become very clean and also smell good too. You can also use alcohol to clean yoga mat or floor, but alcohol is also sometimes too strong, so you need to dilute. The vinegar is very useful, and you can also use this one for your hair rinse. When you dilute lavender vinegar, you can use as hair rinse, natural hair rinse after you wash your hair, because diluted vinegar, tighten your hair's cuticles, so your hair will become more shiny and smooth after you do vinegar rinse. But most of girls don't like to use vinegar for their hair care routine, but I love to use both lavender vinegar and also lemon when I do natural rinse. Yeah, that's all. Please try to make this one. You can also make rosemary vinegar or lemon vinegar too. I also like to make lemon vinegar too, because it smells very good. You just need to put lemon peel into white vinegar. Yeah, any kinds of herb you can use. So please just use your favorite herbs. Thank you for watching. Bye.